My name is Sara Patricia Rodriguez. I am studying Administración de Empresas at TU UNAM. I'm from Bogota. Work at a ONG, Compassion International, happily married and with 3 sons. I love chess, basketball, and reading. I postgraduate from Park Indio, Colombia. Then I want to show you an Cofee National Park is like as Municipal Montenegro, Indio, Colombia. I park natural and delicious clean as temperate and with 10 grade and 24 degrees. An organic park, an ecological and zona recreational area. And people and enter the park enjoy mechanisms and thematic attractions and so for age and vacations and parque cafe. Also as telepheric and can and jones and please from and play works tourists can boyfriend and craft. And here is much congestion and crowds enter attraction games, improving income and enjoy and the trade spaces.